Everybody talks about solving IT problems, but while tech giants like Infosys, TCS, and Wipro dominates the headlines, there is a quiet contender making some serious moves, which is OptiValue Tech Consulting Limited. From powering mobile networks to frictionless banking, OptiValue Tech have already been touching your life without you even knowing it. And in today's video, we are deep diving into the story of OptiValue Tech, the small cap with big potential. We will be talking about company's origin, their business, their financials, about their peers, as well as about their growth plan. Okay, so let's start with the company story. It was founded in 2011 and was listed in 2024. OptiValue Tech Consulting has spent over a decade refining the services in software consulting, telecom solutions, enterprise tech, and even more. The company runs two flexible models. First is project-based, second, time and management. Each help to meet short-term goals as well as long-term strategies alike. Now, talking about the core offerings of the company, that includes API management, telecom BSS/OSS systems, digital banking solutions, and AI-led data insight. OptiValue is positioning itself as a tech backbone for businesses in India as well as abroad. In short, we can say that OptiValue delivers smart, scalable, future-ready tech solution tailored for enterprise growth. Now, let's talk about some industry trends. According to IDC, global IT service spending is expected to grow by 5% in 2025 and 5.2% in 2026. Now, even the NASSCOM reports predict that Indian IT BMP sector will hit 450 billion by 2025, growing at a CAGR of 8 to 10%. Deep tech funding is growing at a 79%, and 87% of which is AI-led. And you know, OptiValue has a great expertise in this area. OptiValue is thriving in that space. Now, moving forward and take a look at the company's financials. From financial year 2022 to financial year 2024, revenue grew at 29.1 crore to 36.5 crore. Net profits already doubled to 5.49 crores. Even their EBITDA margin took a very big hit to 22.92% in financial year 2024. And they are even projected to grow at a 30%. Now, and even PAT margin stands at 21.5% with projected EPS at 3.81 rupees. This isn't just growth, It shows more about the company's efficiency, sustainability, scalability, as well as capital discipline. Now, let's talk competitors. It's better to compare the company. When benchmarked against the listed peers like Dev IT, Euphoria Infotech, OptiValue Tech demonstrates a strong fundamental and a competitive edge, which we can see with the following data. So, let's talk about the revenue. In financial year 2024, OptiValue posted a 36.5 crore in revenue, while Dev IT stood at 163.5 crore and Euphoria at 6 crore. We can see OptiValue is smaller in size, but its profitability metrics stood out. Next, talking about the operating profit margin, which is at 22.48% for OptiValue, which is significantly better than Dev IT at 8.22%, just below the Euphoria's with 25.46%. Now, talking about the profit margin. For OptiValue, it was 15.02%, almost 3 times higher than the Dev IT at 5.58% and Euphoria at 13.31%. Now, talking about ROE. Even return on equity stood at 31%, comparable to Euphoria at 31.72% and much stronger than Dev IT at 17.77%. Next, while talking about the operating cash flow, we can see OptiValue stood out again from its peers. We can see it is the only company which has a positive cash flow of 661 lakh against Euphoria's and Dev IT, which have a negative cash flow of 79 lakh and 664 lakh respectively. Now, talking about the valuations of the company, so PE of OptiValue is at 47.17, whereas Euphoria and Dev Infotech at 7.47 and 16.28 respectively. With this, we can see, despite being smaller in size, OptiValue is clearly delivering better returns and even stronger fundamentals, which we can see in terms of profitability, capital efficiency, and even balance sheet quality. Now, moving forward, we talk more about the OptiValue's IPO, which they are coming up real soon. Let's talk more about it. OptiValue Tech is gearing up to hit the public markets with its upcoming IPO, opening the doors for investors like you and me to invest and be the part of next phase of tech-driven growth. Now, let's see more about it. So, OptiValue Tech is launching its IPO with a fresh issue of 61,69,600 equity shares. There is no offer for sale. So, we know that all the funds are going back into the company. They are coming with a price band of 80 to 90 rupees with a minimum lot size of 1600. So, 1.28 to 1.44 lakhs to apply. Listing will be expected by mid-July 2025. With the IPO structured a fresh issue, the funds will be supported for OptiValue's expansion plan, and it will be used in 3 major areas, which include first, capital expenditure for the OptiValue, which will be going towards new product development and IT upgrades. Second, they will be strengthening their working capital reserve, and even they'll be establishing a new office in Bangalore. So, we can see OptiValue Tech is at intersection of the India's biggest digital themes, where they cater to AI, telecom, infrastructure, fintech, and enterprise tech. With improving profitability, positive cash flow, and a clear roadmap, this isn't just a small SME listing, it's potential long-term compounder under a flying radar. So, we can see that we have similar SME IPOs. This comes with a lot of risk, which should not be ignored. So, majority of the risk include low liquidity, higher volatility, limited analyst coverage. So, if you are a long-term investor and you have a nose for emerging tech winners, you should consider OptiValue Tech. If you are interested in exploring an early investment opportunity, you can visit sharescard.com, a platform that facilitates buying and selling of unlisted shares. Now, the question is, will OptiValue will be the India's next tech success story? Let us know your views in the comment section. And if you like this video, spot an early opportunity, just share it with your fellow investors and subscribe for more IPO insight. Drop a heart if you are a bullish investor on OptiValue Tech. Thanks for watching, and remember, smart investing isn't just about what's trending, it's more about seeing the value before the market does. So invest smart and stay ahead. Thank you.